Good morning. My name is Bob Juranic. I'm a resident of Long Beach Township. We live in Yala Park down here, and we're down through the storm. Been retired for the last 3 years. I'm now 63. Been through many storms down here in Long Beach Island. This is probably one of the tougher ones that we've been through since maybe back in the 90s and even the 60s. Not so much that the houses were in total danger of what was going on as far as flooding, but there was a lot of street flooding. There was a lot of vehicular traffic that was coming off the different roads. You couldn't get off the island at some point because the bridge was closed. As you can see, you've probably seen from some of the video, there's been a lot of beach erosion, particularly with houses that are close to the beach. Some are still in question of whether they're going to sign for the beach mitigation. And hopefully this storm, being somewhat of a northeaster, that is part of the hurricane coming up, will maybe convince some of the homeowners that it's time to sign that petition and to get this beach constructed so that their future storms won't have similar problems to the erosion that we have. You see in some of the houses that were built close here, they've been undermined as far as the ocean. Now, while you're here at the storm, right now it looks very tranquil. There's still a little bit of wave activity. But during the actual storm, we had winds that were sustained at around 20 to 30 knots, and then at points gusts 50, maybe even 60 knots. So it seems very tranquil.
Hi, my name's Bob Ellender. I live in Mystic Island. I'm an electrician, and we were working at this brown house about 6 months ago, putting some air conditioning in. We just come up to see what was going on with it, and everything seems to be washed out. It was all level across there, and that whole bulkhead, you could hardly see any of it before. It seems to all be gone right now. And that's about it. We just wanted to see what was going on with it.